Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Buzz Cooks. Today we're doing potato balls, crispy on the outside, fluffy, light on the inside. You're gonna start off with about 6 or 7 golden potatoes. If you don't have those, you can get 4 or 5 nice-sized russet potatoes. You're gonna peel them, then quarter them up, put them into your pot filled with water, bring to a boil, and you're gonna cook the potatoes until they're fork tender, almost like you're making mashed potatoes. So, while I'm doing this, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment if you can, it really helps. Tell your friends and family about us, and let this channel grow. It'd be awesome. I appreciate it. So, once the potatoes are fork tender, we're going to use our spider and remove those and put those right into the bowl. I'm going to use my KitchenAid to mash these up, so I'm using the KitchenAid bowl. And once I have all these out, I'll put the paddle on my KitchenAid and put it on level 2 and let it do the work of mashing those up. Now, the only ingredient that we're going to add to these potato balls is cornstarch. About a 1/4 cup goes right in there. You'll fire this back up, and you're looking for a consistency close to dough. And once you get there, you'll shut it down, and that's what you're looking for, right about that. So we'll take that out of the bowl, and we'll start to make our balls. I'm just using a spoon, scooping out a little chunk. Use my hands to roll up a nice sized ball. Set on some parchment paper. And while I'm doing that, I've got my oil heating up to 350 degrees. And we're just going to drop those balls right in there. Let them start to fry. Move them around every once in a while. That way they get nice and crispy all over and brown. And when they hit this golden brown, you're going to take them out. Put them on some paper towel to dry. You can hit them with a little salt if you like, or serve them as is. And you have better than French fries, golden brown, crispy potato balls. The kids are going to love them. It's a great treat. It's something different than French fries or onion rings. Give it a try. Everybody's going to love them. All right, thank you very much, and come back for the next show.